Well, it's about time, but Facebook has released a WhatsApp for your desktop. So let's take a look. So the first thing you need to do is go to whatsapp.com, not Facebook, but whatsapp.com. You'll see there that it detects your operating system and tells you, here, let's go ahead and install it. So all you have to do is click on the link. Well, and once you click on it, depending upon your browser, you'll get the usual download instructions. Here I am in IE, and I just click on the run, and it'll download it and start the install process. What's different about this is that they make you go to make sure you have it installed on your phone, so you don't get the download until you use your phone with this QR code. So if you don't have it installed already, you should go to your phone and download that. Now I have Windows Phone, so I'm going to cover that real quick here for those that don't have it installed. So I went to the Windows Store and I do a search here, and first thing that pops up at the top is WhatsApp and apps and games. So you simply click on search and you should find it. And here it is. Of course, it's got to make sure it's the right one. WhatsApp Inc. is the right application. Sometimes the developers try to confuse things by different names for their application that sound similar. Now here's a screen that talks about new version, and I talk about the phone version, and it's got some nice stuff in it as well. So once you've launched downloaded and installed it, you need to go to the app on your phone and go to where it says WhatsApp Web. Now once you do that, it'll launch the scanner, which you're going to point it to this screen, and it'll read the QR code, and it'll automatically configure your system saying you're all good to go. What I had to do once I got in here is to go ahead and put a profile picture in there so people will see that. So I went up here to the menu. There's a menu up at the top left. Up here you can do different things. We'll talk about it a bit later. But I went to the profile right here, clicked on it, clicked on the image, and uploading a profile. And in my case, I have a standard one for my Old Guy Geek persona. So I went over there, clicked on that, found the picture I use for everything, and clicked on one of those. And here we are. So once that's done, or is loaded, you click on Done. It will upload your picture to their servers. Now there's a bunch of other menu items here that you can do, creating groups, doing all sorts of editing and all that. But basically, it's just a chat program. So you want to know how to do chats. Well, it's sort of funny. You can do it in 3 places actually up here. So if we go up to the menu, we can see here there's a chat there. There in the search, you can do it, and with the plus sign up here. So if we click on that, or the plus sign next to the image up there, you'll get a list of your contacts. Now this is already built for you. WhatsApp imports your contacts who are also using WhatsApp. So you can just click on their name to start an app, or start a chat. Or if you have a lot of names, you may have to click here in the search box and type the first few characters of a person's name to find them. Now once you've done that, first thing you want to do is check to make sure you're talking to the right person. You don't want to be texting the right person. So check that up there. You come down here and you can type a message in, and once you're done with that, you can hit the send button. But you can also attach photos and videos, documents, and all sorts of stuff. So let's go ahead and do one. So I'm going to go ahead and click on a photo. I'm again going to go down to my Old Guy Geek directory, and I'll select okay, my old logo. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to say okay. Then it appears down here in the list of attachments. You can attach more than one, and I'm going to go ahead and type in a little message here, and say, then on the green button on the right, once I'm all ready to go, all I have to do is click on that to send the video or the image and the text. And as you can see, it's circling here, attempting to send it. It depends upon the size of everything. But there it is. It stopped, so it's in my history of stuff now. So if I go over to my Windows phone, and I can see right here exactly that it got there fine. It went over to my other person over there. So that's basically how to use WhatsApp for your desktop. It's about time to put some on the desktop, because you may be working or something on your desktop and think about somebody you want to text, but you don't want to have to go hunt down your phone, especially you ladies who may be keeping it in your purse. But wherever you keep it, you don't have to go hunt it down. You can now do WhatsApp very easily, very nicely from your Windows desktop. Hey, and don't forget to subscribe to Old Guy Geek. Come on back for Windows 8 and Windows 10, and Windows Phone 8 and Windows 10, and general how-to videos, all here to help you make the most out of your system.